So this experiment is about to see how can we know which soil is from the moon or from the earth, right? If you can see, both of them are the same, exactly the same. You don't see any difference, right? So what we are gonna do is we're gonna put some DI water over here. I'm gonna do this one, and then you're gonna help me with this one, okay? All the way until the line. Awesome. Yeah, that's good. Good job. Now, what we need to do is scoop out the soil and put it into this one, okay? So all the chemicals over here, or the composition of the soils, are gonna get dissolved in here. And then we need to mix. So you mix this one, I mix this one. Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you. Yes. Now, so since we have different chemicals or components in the moon and the dust, earth dust, so we are gonna compare. If you can see here, can you see the difference between these two graphs? So this one, it has 3 bars, this one has 2 bars. So can you say which one has more iron in it? This one, right? It has more iron. And then for phosphorus, which one has phosphorus in it? This one, that is the earth, right? So that's what we are gonna see with these chemicals over here. So for this purpose, we are gonna have sample number 1 and sample number 2. So we are gonna put the water that we just prepared into here, right? So you squeeze. So now we're gonna test for iron. So we have these little bags over here that are gonna show us the concentration of the iron in the moon and the earth samples, right? So can you put this one over here? Yay! And then we cover it. It changed the color, right? So we can see. Now let's do the other sample. So now that they're covered, we need to shake it. Shake it, shake it. Yes, that's enough. Good job. So can you see the change of color? So which one is darker? Darker, this one. That's number 1. So if we can see here, which one has the highest? This one. So what means? The moon, right? So that's what this test means. Now, because sometimes it's not that clear as it is here. So sometimes it's the same color. So we need an instrument to know which concentration is higher. You want to try this? Okay, so for this one, transfer this liquid over here. Can you press this one? Push, push, push. Yeah, press. Again. Awesome, thank you so much. And now on this one, can you put it in here? Yes, good job. Little bit. Oh, that's fine. Don't worry.
You just have some gloves on.
Yeah, we have the gloves on, so it's fine. We don't get. So now we are gonna use this instrument that is called a spectrophotometer. What we need to do, we are gonna have a reference. There is a blank, it's just water in this cubit. We need to wipe this out and put it in. You want to put this one in? Okay. Let me just clean it. I help you a little bit. Yes, awesome. And this one, just clean a little bit. It has a one side that is clear. It goes all the way here. Okay, we're gonna cover. And then we're gonna set up the instrument. So for this one, we need to put enter. So the first thing, we're gonna zero the instrument. And then we measure. We can see that the concentration closer. It's 3. I don't know if he can see, maybe. Yeah. Can you see the screen? Yes? So the first sample is 3. The second sample, oopsie, too far. Is 0.3. So that means that our sample number 2, it was the moon sample, right? Yay! So that's why engineering is super important to determine the composition of a rock that we don't know if it is from the moon or if it is from the earth. Right, buddy? Okay, thank you so much for participating.